Okay, so today we are going to start our topic arithmetic progression, class 10th. Before coming to the progression, I will tell you what is a progression. If a series is written by some rule, if there is no rule of writing any preceding, just you can see that adding fixed to the preceding term, we will get the succeed the next term we are getting. When we are adding a fixed number to the preceding term, we are getting the arithmetic equation is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. So we are getting the succeeding term by adding a fixed quantity in arithmetic progression. That is arithmetic progression. But if you see any progression or sequence or progression, so one you can say sequence or progression. So in sequence, if we are writing only sequence, it can be any type of sequence except some defined sequences. Except some defined sequences, that is arithmetic progression that we have to study in our 10th class. The sequence means suppose we have a rule of writing every sequence by an is equal to 2n. 2n minus 3. This is the rule. Suppose this is the rule of writing a sequence and n belongs to natural numbers. N belongs to what? Natural numbers. Capital N means natural number. N belongs to n. This is the symbol used. So that is n is equal to, we will put 1. When we will put n is equal to 1, we get the first sequence a1, 2 into 1 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 minus 1. Then second term of this sequence a2 will be equal to 2 into 2 minus 3. So 4 minus 3, 1. A3 third term will be equal to 2 into 3 minus 3. So 2 3 is a 6 minus 3, 3. A4 fourth term will be equal to 2 into 4 minus 3. So 2 4 is a 8. 8 minus 3, 5. So like this, you are getting the sequence like minus 1 first term, second term 1, then 3 and 5 and so on. So it will have infinite number of terms. This is first term, this is second term, third term, fourth term. So it is about the sequence, any sequence. But when we are studying arithmetic progression, this is arithmetic progression. So in AP, in short, we say AP is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. In the first term, a fixed number is added. This fixed number is called common difference. This fixed number is called common difference. Okay. So remember that it can be positive, negative, or 0. Some examples are here. The students of a school standing in a queue in morning assembly are 147, 148, 149. So here the common difference is what? Here common difference is
1.
What is the common difference here? 1. Because 1 and yes. So common difference is equal to 1. Hmm. So that means every term is having common difference, means when you add plus 1 here, 1 you will add, you will get 48 preceding term, except the first term. This is the first term. When adding 1, you will get 149. Adding 1, 150. Adding 1 like this, it is up to 157. So this is ending at 157. So this is called finite AP because it has the ending term. Okay. So we can say it is a finite arithmetic progression. Similarly, the minimum temperature recorded for a week in the month of January in a city arranged in ascending order are minus 3.1, minus 3, minus 2.9. So how will you find this difference? Just you have to subtract the second term minus 3.0 minus 3.1. Second term minus first term. So you get minus 3 minus minus plus 3.1 minus 3 plus 3.1, 0.1 positive, 0.1 positive. It can be negative, it can be positive, it can be negative, it can be 0 also. If it is 0, then all terms are same. So now 0.1, 0.1, okay, 0.1 are adding. So we are adding in each term here. If you add 0.1, this will become 0.3 minus 0.3. If you will add 0.1 here, it will become 0 because of minus sign, minus 2.9, adding 0.1, 2.8, adding 0.1, 2.7, adding 0.1. So like this, we can see there is a constant term or fixed term which is added in each term to get the succeeding term. Okay. So in general now, so I think you understood. So there are first term is denoted by A, second term is denoted by A plus D, third term is denoted by A plus 2D because we are adding D. So if you will write the general form, this is the general form. So general form of an AP, how we can write the general form of AP? A is the first term. Then there is a fixed number called common difference. Add in A, which is here 0.1, which is here 1. Common difference is here 1. Here common difference is 0.1. So we are adding D in each term. So A plus D, second term will be A plus D. Third term will be A plus 2D. Fourth term will be A plus 3D. And like this, so on. So here A is called the first term of the AP. This is the first term of an AP. And D is called the common difference. D is called the common difference. So first of all, how to recognize an AP? We have to check in the given sequence, in the given progression, there should be a constant difference, common difference. If common difference is there, we can say that the given progression is an arithmetic progression. Otherwise, it is not an arithmetic progression. So in the starting, we have to recognize in some questions after that. Now we can have some formulas, but in the starting, we can have in the first exercise, not that formula introduced. So we will do the exercise number 1 first. Okay. After that, we will see some other formulas which are used here. Okay. So now we have exercise number 5.1. So I think you understood. Suppose I am writing 1, okay, first term. Now, if I add 3 in each term, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 3, 16. Okay. So like this, we can have any AP So in exercise 5.1, we have to find which of the following situations does the list involves makes an arithmetic progression. Question number 1, 5.1, question number 1. Question number 1, in which of the following situation does the list of the numbers involves make an arithmetic progression? Taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is 15 rupees 15 for the first kilometer and 8 kilometers for the additional kilometer. So first kilometer is 15 rupees. After that you have to add 8 for each. Next kilometer it will be adding 8. 15 plus 8, 23. And then adding 8. So there is a fixed number which is adding. So therefore it is an AP. It's an AP. Okay. Second question is the amount of cylinder amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4. This is what 1/4. 1/4. This is 1/4 of the air. 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So 1/4. So we have to check this one whether it is an AP or not. Question number 2. So in question number 2, this is question number 2. 1/4 air is removed every time. Suppose it has x amount of air it has. Okay. So the next time it will be removed 1/4 of x. So in the second time we have to remove from x minus x/4, 1/4 of the previous one. It means that 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So now 4x minus x, so 3x/4. So next time after pumping one time, the air remain will be 3x/4. Okay. So 3x/4. Now again 1/4 of 3x/4. 1/4 of 3x/4 will be 3x/8. So from 3x/4, now you have to remove 3x/8. But 1/4 is removed. So that means we have to subtract. X is the total amount and 1/4 of x is x/4. Yes, it is removed. Correct. So now 8 LCM is 8. So 4 to the 8, 2 3 is 6x minus 3x, 6x minus 3x, 3x/8. Correct? 3x/8. So after two terms, you can see the difference. If 3x/4 minus 1, second term minus first term is 3x minus 4x minus x/4. And the next term is 3x/8 minus 3x/4. So LCM is 8. So 3x minus 6x. 3x, 4 to the 8, 2 to the 6. So minus minus 3x by 8. See the difference. Here the difference is minus x by 4. Here difference is minus 3x by 4. Therefore, it is not an AP. Okay. Make some correction here. This is 1/4 of the previous 3x by 4. So 1/4 of 3x by 4. 1/4 of 3x by 4. 3x by 16. So 3x by 4 minus 3x by 16 is removed. So LCM is 16. So 4 4 is 16. 4 3 is 12x minus 3x. So 12 minus 3, 9x by 16. So 3x by 4, 1/4 of the 3x by 4 is 3x by 16. That is removed from this one again. So 9x by 16. So next term will be 9x by 16. So now check this, we minus x by 4, 9x by 16 minus 3x by 4 is equal to LCM is 16. So 9x, 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12x, 9, 12 minus 9 minus 3x by 16, which is not equal to this one. Therefore, D common difference is not there. Therefore, it is not an AP. Okay, so it's not an AP. The cost of digging a well after every meter when it costs 150 first and rises by 50, it is an AP because every time we are adding a constant fixed number, it is an AP. The amount of money in the account every year